Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video for you, and this time I am going to share my top favorite braid hairstyles which I personally love the most. I just love the way how it adds that sort of bohemian look to your whole outfit and to your face. Whenever I am feeling that my face is looking so boring and I just want some sort of different look and I just want some sort of bohemian look, basically I just go for braid hairstyles. And all the hairstyles which I will be sharing with you are so easy to create, and you don't need to be an expert or you don't need to have some sort of particular skills to achieve these. These are super easy to create. They just look amazing. So I will not blabber more and I will quickly jump to the video. But if you're watching my video for the first time, then hi, I am Shweta, and please subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit that bell icon to never miss a future upload from me. And now let's just get started with the video. So guys, for the first hairstyle, if you guys are following me since quite a long time, you must be knowing that one of my previous video I just did a milkmaid braid. Many of you just suggested me to make a tutorial for that. So here I am. You can do the side parting as whatever suits you the best, but I prefer center parting for this look. Now what I have done, I have separated my hairs into two equal sections, as you can see. Make sure you don't have any sort of tangles, because otherwise it will look messy. Now it completely depends on your preference how much tight or loose you want your braid to be. I personally like it a little bit loose. So what you have to do is you have to just divide your hair into three equal sections, and you have to do the normal 3-strand braid. Now you have to make sure that you are making 3-strand braid till the end. Now you need an elastic, whatever color you like. I prefer black elastic band. So it's tied now. I will be making 3-strand braid on the other side as well. So as you guys can see, I have made 3-strand braid on both the sides. You can take any of the braid first. I am taking the braid from the right side first because it is quite thick. So now you will be needing some sort of bobby pins. Make sure that you are putting a lot of bobby pins so that it's completely secure and it will not go anywhere. Now what I do is I take the other section, just taking it till here, take it behind your ears and just pin it up. There are some sort of hairs coming out from here and there, you can secure with the help of bobby pins. So this one is the first look. So guys, for the second look, let me do that first. Just whatever side parting you like, you can do it. I just personally like right side parting. I take a medium thick section from the front and just make a regular 3-strand braid like so. Make sure you are making it till the end. What you have to do is, if you are not sure and you are thinking that it might open up, you can just tie it or secure it with the help of a black elastic, but I just keep it like that. I am going to take this like so and just keep it like this. Now you need bobby pin to just secure it nicely. Just make sure you are adding good amount of bobby pins so that it's secure. So this is how it should look. So guys, for the third look, I am going to make very easy waterfall braid. For this, again, you need to make sure that what sort of partition you want your hairs to be. For this too, you need to make a 3-strand braid. So I will quickly make a 3-strand braid. I am taking a medium thick section from the front again and just making a tight 3-strand braid. What you need to do is just make some sort of space in between, like so, and take a thin section from this side and just take it from the upward side. Now this can be a little bit tricky, but trust me, once you get used to this, you will just rock this hairstyle. So this was the first hair strand. Don't worry, some hairs will pop out like so, but once you will just tie it like this, it will not show up. So similarly, I am just making the space in the second section, which is right here, and taking another section from here and taking it from this hole and just taking it outside like this. So I hope you are getting an idea what I am going to do and what sort of effect you will be achieving with this sort of technique. Just be patient. Now similarly, you have to make the spaces and you have to take a strand from the back side and just take it outside each space. You can see this sort of effect. This is called waterfall braid. So guys, now you can see I have taken these much strands from the holes and now it will go till here. So I will not make more strands go inside the holes. So what I did was I am taking all these strands like this together, and I am taking this strand like this and I am just pulling them in opposite direction, pulling these strands in downward direction and pulling this strand in upward direction, so that they are at their place. Now what I will be doing is I will take this at the back and I will secure it with the help of a bobby pin. So this is the final look, guys. It should look like this. I will show you the better view of these strands. I personally like it on only one side, but if you want, you can do the center parting and do this sort of look on both the sides. It will look just amazing. So guys, these were the top 3 braid hairstyles which I like the most, and I just feel that these are so easy to achieve, but yet they look so amazing, and it looks like you have worked really hard to achieve these. You can carry these hairstyles to your college, to your school, to any sort of party or any casual day out, whatever. That is it, guys. If you like my video and you want me to make more such hairstyle videos, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to leave a lovely comment down below. It motivates me a lot, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. Until next time we meet, this is me Shweta signing off. Bye bye.